strange kid, huh? Pew! Look at my ring. Know how you got snake bites? You should get like a clip bite. Ha. Kinda broke it. Kinda hurt it too. Ow. You better watch out. You better not cry. 'Cause Faith, I'm telling you why. Megan is coming to your house tonight. We're like freaking from the Canada, you know? We're Canadian buddies. eHarmony.com. Did I just see eHarmony.com? Look, this is supposed to be a foot. looks like a sloth foot. I like step on it. I heard my freaking name on the freaking TV. I'm not on TV. I'm not on TV. I'm right here making a freaking video for you. 'Cause I don't want your chili dog fries.